And today our topic is shabda from logical reasoning. And what do you mean by shabda? It's a very important topic to the perspective of NET JRF and verbal testimony. We call it verbal testimony. And according to Nyaya philosophy, shabda is the fourth and and last valid source of knowledge. So what is the last and fourth source of knowledge? That is shabda. What is the meaning of shabd? Literally, meaning of shabd. Shabd means word, right? Shabd literally means verbal knowledge. Okay, verbal knowledge. The mere combination of word does not provide a valid knowledge. Only writing some words doesn't make any sense, right? All verbal sentences are not valid. Every sentence is not valid. Hence, Gautama defines Shabda Pramana as a statement of a reliable person. What does Gautama said about the Shabda Pramana? Pramana means certificate. Word certificate. What's word certificate? And what is word Pramana as a statement of a reliable person? We can only rely on the statements of a person who is very reliable. In the other words, verbal testimony is the communication from a trustworthy person. If a trustworthy person is speaking something that is is mutually true, who is a trustworthy person? After and how to decide? And he is a trustworthy person. Why is a session updesh a testimony pramana? Analyze the process of verbal testimony. We find the following step. If we analyze the process of verbal testimony, so we will understand the steps of verbal testimony. And then what are the steps of verbal testimony? First step is there is a perception of a word, of a sentence uttered by a trustworthy person. That words should be spoken by a trustworthy person. Secondly, there is the understanding of the meaning of words, that is called the karana, the special cause of the verbal knowledge. The second thing is that we have a special understanding of the meaning of the words. The knowledge of the words padajana leads to the knowledge of object through the function vyapara. The knowledge of the words, that means if I say pencil, what is the meaning of pencil? Nothing that from which we write. And leads to the knowledge of object through the function. When we get the word from this, and this is a pencil, then we will know the function of the thing. First of all, the thing we understand is from its name. And the function means vyapara. What is the vyapara of this pencil that we can write from this pencil? This is the vyapara. And of recalling the meaning of words. Gautama and Vatsyayana studied in Nyaya school that verbal knowledge is of two kinds. What are the kinds of verbal knowledge? There are two kinds. First is drusharth. Drusharth means correct word. Is one of relating. What is drusharth? Drusharth is one relating to perceptible object, which means the sensible object attainable in this world. The object should be that we can attain in this world. And the second thing is adrustartha, or that relating to imperceptible objects, which means the super sensible objects which is attainable to the other words. And what is adrustartha? Adrustartha is a thing that we cannot attain and which is beyond attainable in this world. It can be attained only in the other world. The thing, the object is called adrustartha. And this is the division of words of the ordinary people and the seers. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.